how to delete all liked videos on YouTube mobile. Firstly, land the application, then tap on your profile icon on your right upper side. As you get right there, simply scroll down and go for settings. Then you're gonna find out all these selections. You need to go on the 7th place, which is history and privacy. Just go tap on it, and right from here, as you can see, you have again many sites which are related on your right section, which is for the YouTube terms of history. And as you go right there, or simply as you go manage all activity on that selection, you're gonna open up a site selection which is for myactivity.com Google session, and as you get right there on that point site, you're gonna find out the right option or the option which is for your selections. Go for interactions on the 3rd selection, your upper side, and from here you can find out all these sites which are related. As you can see, the first one, which is view likes and dislikes, just go for that selection, and right from there, guys, you can simply go for that account. Here you need to add your password and all that stuff. Then when you're ready, simply go next, and as you get logged in into your site selection, you're gonna simply get to the main point on your account. Right here you can find out all your likes that you've got on these videos, and as you get on the right point, you can simply right now check it out, or as you tap right here on that selection, you can go and delete it. But how do you delete all of them? You can simply, as you can see, you have for today, you can simply go on that click X section, which will take and delete from today all of these sites. If you go delete, as you can see right now, we have got delete all of my site selections which are for today's setup.